Hello students, today we will discuss about VVM 2022-23 National Level Camp Personal Interaction. Under personal interaction, the topic is ecotourism in Indian context. Today in this topic we will discuss about what is the definition of ecotourism, how many types of ecotourism, and the different activities under ecotourism, and the positive and negative impact of ecotourism in India. So we will start now. Ecotourism is about uniting conservation communities and sustainable travel for the conservation of the environment. It should focus on the well-being of the local environment and the well-being of the locals. It also gives high quality experience of the tourist. Types of tourism. Different types of tourism are educational purposes, for adventure, or for scientific, or for agritourism, or cultural tourism. These are different types of ecotourism. And there are so many activities under the ecotourism that are practiced. That first is the bird watching, hiking, wildlife photography, sightseeing, downhill skiing, white river rafting, swimming in natural water, and camping. So these are the main activities performed under the ecotourism. Role of ecotourism is to disseminate information about. It means ecotourism is to spread the information of these related areas, that is various environmental issues of local area. Next is the local environment and ways to protect the environment, appreciate the nature and natural environment. Role of local community in protecting the environment. Role of governmental agencies working for conservation and local culture. Ecotourism in India. One of the earliest Vedic hymns to quote with translation composed over 4,000 years ago gave the message that is what is termed as sustainable development. Sustainable development means development without affecting the environment or without harm the environment. Next, as we know, India is the home of one of the world's oldest living civilization and land of multiple religions and innumerable languages, but still has a common thread of emotion connecting the nation with its population. Our sages and saints have been moving to mountains, meadows, and streams and experiencing elevation of mind. That close contact and communication with nature produced. Means ecotourism is practiced so far behind, about 4,000 years ago, by sages and saints. The sages believed that the basic element of nature constitute the cosmic being. The mountains were bones, the earth his flesh, and sea was blood, the air was breath, and fire was energy of the divine spirit. That was same in all organisms they propagated. The earth is our mother and we are its children. Mountains provide an effective arena for the conduct of ecotourism activities. The unique ecosystem of the mountains, their grandeur, and the awe-inspiring scenic beauty are a source of perennial attraction. Mountains are rich pockets of greenery. The variety of trees, herbs, flowers is breathtaking. National parks, wildlife sanctuaries provide essence of ecotourism. Kerala state is home to first planned ecotourism destination of India. This is important. Kerala state is home to first planned ecotourism destination of India. Your national camp is held in Kerala. So note this point that first ecotourism destination in India is in Kerala. The International Ecotourism Society defined ecotourism as the responsible travel to natural areas that conserves the environment and improves the welfare of local people. The Australian Commission on National Ecotourism Strategy defines ecotourism as nature-based tourism that involves education, interpretation of the natural environment and is managed to be ecologically sustainable. The term ecotourism was coined by Hector Ceballos Lascurain in 1983. Ecotourism is an enlightening and participatory travel experience to environments, both natural and cultural. And now we discuss the positive impact of ecotourism. It creates an interest and awareness among the people about India's indigenous flora and fauna. It acts as a forum to educate and encourage conservation efforts. Preservation of local culture boosts economic development in areas surrounding reserves through sustainable development, increases the revenue derived from tourism. And now we discuss about the negative impact of the ecotourism. What is the negative impact of ecotourism? The tourists arrive in and ride around the parks in vehicles which pollute the environment. This is the negative impact. And next is the ecotourism takes away livelihood from the locals and in return provides them with low paying subordinate positions in the resorts etc that are established. This is second negative point. And mismanagement. Also, mismanagement of ecotourism sites cause more harm than any little good that ecotourism brought about.